Costco bonding with mommy. Inabot na naman ang gutom. No ba yan? Wow, we're at Costco. Mukhang dami niyong bibili na.
Ano kaya ang bumili ako na ibabalik ba yung box ko? Mahal ba ang pabalik ba yan? Oy, ganun mo.
Okay, walking around Brentwood, guys. Can you believe they're here in Brentwood?
Hi! Naka-duster.
Oh nga, ayan. You know you're in America when you're wearing that while walking. Oh, wag natin iwan si Daddy. Daddy is walking 1 mile per hour. Ang bilis eh.
Ano naman ang pupuntahang are?
Girls time!
Girls time.
Girls night out! We're going to
Ay, parang pangit na short ko.
the chiropractor. Mommy, you okay?
Okay.
Kaya's mad the most. You know what Kaya is?
Gusto niyo umupo kayo dun daw?
Okay.
Upo kayo dun, Ella.